Modifiers are regions you can add to your model to adjust print settings in specific areas. Think of them as a way to fine-tune your print without affecting the entire model, or have to separate out your model into different parts. For example, you can change infill density, wall thickness, surface finish, and of course apply supports to selected zones. To create a modifier, right-click on your model, go down to Add Modifier, and choose the shape that would be the most appropriate for the need. Position the selected shape over the area that you want the modifier to take effect. The shape can also be manipulated with the tools above. Once positioned, under the Process tab, we can see the modifier that's selected. The Frequent tab below gives quick access to infill and wall loops. Quality gives us more detailed print settings. Strength for our shell adjustments. Speed changes that can be helpful for unique and challenging prints. Others for fuzzy skin settings. A practical use for modifiers is to increase infill density in certain parts of our model to create strength in specific areas and save on material and time in other parts. Creatively, modifiers can be used to apply surface finish to certain parts of our prints. In the following example, you can see fuzzy skin only applied to the grip of the handle. In our next video, we will be going over the Mesh Boolean tool.